Bonjour, this is Jasmine. Thank you so much for stopping Madame. For those of you who are new to the neighborhood, I am a writer, a storyteller, and a community builder. Most recently, I've become an author of a children's book, Joelle Confronts the Weather with What's in the Cupboard. The inspiration for this book is from our son, Joelle. He's not here. He is visiting his grandparents. So it's just me and my little helper, Io. You say hi, Io? Hi. We're making lunch. It's super hot here. It's about 93 degrees today. But I decided to make a video of us making lunch. Right, Io? Right. We're making trout. I looked up a recipe online and I don't have all the ingredients for it. So I'm gonna mix and match some vegetables that we have in the refrigerator. So we have green beans, we have tomatoes, we have zucchini, and we have the lemon. Now, I think that's the only thing I have that was in the original recipe. And of course we have our trout. So what I'm gonna do is chop them up and put it in this already prepared oven pan. And we're gonna see how it turns out, okay? And I'm gonna have help from my almost 2-year-old daughter. Okay, let's start. So what I'm gonna do to begin with is get a handful of green beans. Good job, and put them in here. Good job, Puput. Now I'm gonna rinse them off. You missing a green bean, baby? Thank you, Puput. Now, we're gonna cut these up. I'm just gonna cut off the ends. Let's get a knife. Excuse me. Like that. And now we cut. I'm not a great cook. I always make fun of my husband and tell him that he's the chef of the house, but I actually make dishes quite well when I'm in the mood, and only when I'm in the mood. If I'm not in the mood, I tend to burn and over-season or under-season. So I'm in the mood, so hopefully this turns out well. So I'm just cutting off the ends. And also, I'm cutting them in half because I don't want them too long. I want it to be in proportion with everything else. So I have smaller tomatoes, and I want to chop up the zucchini. So I don't want the green beans to be too long and not in uniform with all the other vegetables. Thank you, Booby. Are you helping Mama? So we'll cut these up. And the seasoning I plan on using is a little bit of provincial seasoning. It's like a mix of a lot of seasonings put together. Hopefully we have it. If we don't, I'll just put a little salt and pepper. And for some reason, I like ginger on my vegetables and on my fish. So I'll probably sprinkle a little ginger on it as well, but that's about it. So let's do salt, pepper, and a bit of ginger. That I'll let let you see what we're doing. Okay. Ayo added a little bit of extra green beans for her mother. Thank you. So they're not gonna all be cut the same size, but we're gonna try our best. So that's that. I'm gonna spread that out. Cut off the ends and put it in here. And that's that. Next, we'll do the zucchini. Let's put this up. Thank you, Pookie. We have enough green beans. And now the zucchini. See the zucchini? It's a small zucchini. Zucchini. En français, on dit courgette. I think we also say courgette in English. But I think that's mostly British English that we say courgette. So put up the zucchini. I like to peel all my vegetables. It's not the best knife, but it works. Almost finished with this. And I like cubing my vegetables. So I'll cut it in half horizontally. And then I'll cut it again horizontally. And then this way as well. Thank you, Ayo. Put all this in. Thank you. So that's our green beans. Now can you put this in, Boopy? Here. Thank you. Wow. You really helped Mom. So that's our zucchini. And now we'll do our tomatoes. Let's do our tomatoes. Tomatoes. First we have to cut them, honey. Sweetheart. You want to taste it? I'll just cut them in half. Cut them all in half. Let me cut this in half. Is it good? Here. Cut this in half. Oh, now you have to put it in the trash. You dropped it. Yeah, you dropped it, Kobe. Now can you put this in here? Thank you, Ayo. Now let's clean our space a little bit. Yes, we have to clean this off and put it in the trash. This is the excess vegetables. Get that all cleaned off. Now, we can add a little bit more color to this. I don't think there's enough tomatoes. You want some more tomatoes, honey? Cut it in half. I like it to be evenly proportioned. Enough green, a little bit of white, and a little bit of red. And I was thinking about making a salad to go with it. So right now I'm boiling an egg so I can cut that up in my salad. And that'll be my side salad. You can put that in. Thank you. Now we gotta shake it up. And I think it's evenly colored. Nice. So zucchini, green beans, and tomatoes. So we have enough tomatoes. I'll put the rest of those up as well.
Yeah. What the way?
Thank you, Poopy. That's tomatoes. And what I'm going to do now is get the seasoning. But we can't eat all the tomatoes. Okay, Poopy? These are our seasonings.
Yeah.
So I'll add a bit of pepper. En français, poivre. And then I'll add a bit of, let's add a bit of onion. Thank you, Poopy. Got enough pepper, poivron, poivre. Thank you for sneezing on the food. Okay, is that enough? You already contaminated it, but it's okay. Those are good germs. A little bit of onion flakes. We don't have pepper, but we do have basil. And we have a bit of oregano. I know, it's a lot more than I originally thought I was gonna put on, but it's okay. There's not too much. It's just how I feel. You know, it's about your heart. I always tell Jean-Paul, you have to put love into your food. So I'm gonna add the trout. Jean-Paul gets the fish with the head on it. It freaks me out completely. But he likes the head on it, so I'll just leave that there. Ayo. And I'll put a little ginger, like I said. I'll open it up. And put a little ginger in there. And do we have any? We don't have any garlic. That would be perfect on it. But we'll just use what we have. So again, I'll put a little pepper on the fish inside. That goes for the, you want to add this is ciboulette. Ciboulette in English is chives. Why not? Let's just add a bit of chives. Iowa wants chives. I'll give her chives. Thank you. And we can't put everything on it, Iowa. Can't put everything on it. So we're done with that. We're finished with the seasoning. And now we'll cut up a bit of lemon. What is lemon en français, Theo? No. This is citron. On coupe un peu de citron. Cut off the ends. Yeah, we have to cut off the ends, Poopy. Yes. And no, don't touch it. Now we can't touch it, Poopy. Now you gotta wash your hands out. You already sneezed on everything. Cover your mouth, Poopy. Do like this. Achoo. Do like that. Good job, Poopy. Now we get a little bit of lemon. We gotta put the lemon on. You wanna put it on next? Here I go. Put this lemon over here. Good job, Poopy. Put this lemon over there. Right here, Poopy. We gotta put it all evenly distributed on the vegetables. Don't lick your hands. Put this over here. Thank you. Good job. And we need one more to make it even. I have a knife phobia, actually. I'm not really good with knives. I don't trust myself with knives. So we got the lemon, and I'll squeeze a little in the inside. And a little over it, like that. And voila. This is what I'm going to put in the oven. I already preheated the oven to 150 degrees Celsius. So you have to make the translation in Fahrenheit. So it's at 150 degrees Celsius. And we're going to put it in for 30 minutes at 150.